And Oakland Troy traffic, gate 54. We're going to fly over midfield at 2,500 feet, then enter a downwind for landing 10. We have departing traffic in flight 854.
I can see him. Right here, see?
Oh, okay, yep.
There he is.
Oh, there he is, yep.
I was looking over there.
Perfect. All clear.
And Oakland Troy traffic, Skyhawk 854 turning base for landing runway 10, Oakland Troy traffic.
I like this guy's voice, but he's got a weird, like, little start. He's like, and Oakland Troy.
And the Oakland Troy traffic. He likes Michigan.
And Oakland Troy
We're
traffic.
gonna drink a can of Diet Coke.
And Oakland Troy traffic, Skyhawk 854 turning final runway 10, Oakland Troy traffic.
But I like his voice. He seems pretty content.
Pretty enthusiastic.
Yes. Alright, well, another failed sunset.
Yeah.
Another failed sunset flight. There's
right.
no sunset.
And Oakland Troy traffic, Skyhawk 854 clear to the active Oakland Troy.
Yeah, we should have a lot more daylight about this time of day.
This is true. It's alright. I'm fine.
Yeah. Good.
I mean, I guess we're just gonna have to keep flying
Yeah.
until we get a good sunset.
I guess.
Keep trying. So where are we heading today?
Oh, there's a plane kind of up here, kind of doing circles. 90HA. And it's exactly at our altitude, so I'm not sure if they're doing like a training flight or what. I'm just gonna give them a little bit of base. So if you had an emergency right now, where would you want to set down? What do you see?
I see a couple of empty fields over there on the left.
I think those empty fields are called a golf course.
No, not that one. I was referring to the one a little further down.
No.
I don't really see, now I see the golf course, but I'm a little shorter, so I saw the one over there.
Nice.
Because that's within glide.
Yep. Check out this little linkish thing over here.
That's really cute.
So welcome to the Sky Surgeons. We, have been doing all of our flights in Michigan, and we may have an upcoming move. So I think we're gonna try to head to the southwest. Not gonna say exactly where yet, but we've got some family in the southwest, and we've been looking at houses and looking at spot for the plane, and we're looking forward to a little bit warmer weather. Even though the performance is not so great, we're looking forward to not having to clean off the ice from the canopy before flying like I have over the past winter here. But yeah, the reason why we're moving is we're actually finishing up with med school. We've put in all of our time, and we've got about 6 weeks left. And after that, we'll be doing a research year in the southwest area. And from there, we're going to be applying to the match, the national residency match, which is this fall, and we'll find out hopefully where we're going to be, I guess, March of next year. Yeah.
Yep.
So, pretty exciting things.
And there'll be somewhat of a stable home.
Yeah. So at least for the next year, we're going to be in one spot, and if we can try to stay in the area where we're going to be, that's even better. Maybe we can avoid having to move again.
That would be nice.
Yeah, so we decided to come up evening-ish to try and get a sunset flight. One of the things we've been finding in Michigan is like the western sky tends to get this dark cloud layer. So the sun, before it can hit the horizon, hits this like massive clouds and just disappears. So
Yeah.
I think where we're going though, hint hint, might have some pretty good sunsets.
And I'm very excited for that.
Just saying.
But it may be a little flat.
Yeah,
Hint, hint.
maybe a little flat. Not a lot of hills. Some people might say that it's big sky country.
Ooh,
Oh, I
that's
think
a good hint.
that might have been given away.
Yeah.
Okay, big sky country.
Check out that big house. Is that even a house? That might not be a house.
I don't think so.
That'd be nice though if it were.
So, we'll miss seeing the scenic Great Lakes, but where we're going has some lakes too, so we'll be looking forward to that.
Maybe even get some boat time.
Yeah,
Ooh.
the boat time with some friends.
Ooh. My two favorite things, flying and water.
Yeah. Yeah. Get to finally hang out with some friends we haven't seen in a really long time, so really looking forward to it.
Yeah. After we get through some really hard exams. Really tough ones, but it'll be worth it.
Nice.
Very nice. That's a really large country club.
Yep.
I don't think I've ever golfed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we'll have to get you behind a club and see what happens.
I don't think good things are gonna happen. See what happens. You better get out of the way and see what happens from a distance.
Yeah. Nice. I think we've lost enough sun.
Ah. Very true.
So we're starting our descent from 25 down to our pattern altitude of 17.
17.
Basically 1,000 above the ground.
Oakland Troy traffic, Sport Cruiser 85 Pop Bravo 5 miles to the north, inbound for runway 10, Oakland Troy.
That kind of looks like the mall right there. Yeah,
Yeah.
that is it. Macy's.
Yep. See the sky bridge?
Yeah, I do. I gotta say, that is a really nice mall.
Yeah. Cool, that's on both sides of the highway.
Yeah. There's our favorite spot for Sundays. Maggiano's. I wish we could like land real quick at Maggiano's, get some dinner home, and then like
just
fly
step down
back.
the highway right there on Big Beaver Road. That's Big Beaver Road for everyone.
Big Beaver, that's right.
Not a joke. That's really called Big Beaver Road.
Oakland Troy traffic, Sport Cruiser 85 Pop Bravo downwind 410, Oakland Troy.
Lead off the airspeed.
Yep.
To the white arc. Once we get to white, we start throwing in our flaps. Our winds are pretty light, so we're going to go ahead and use our flaps here. Making that nose forward a bit, keeping our airspeed up.
Yep. 5. Check.
It's a good glide ratio. Big glide does.
Oakland Troy traffic, Sport Cruiser 85 Bravo returning base 410, Oakland Troy. Oakland Troy traffic, final 410, Oakland Troy.
like a butter. Like a greasy, 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 squeak, squeak. Like a greasy, greasy, squeak, 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 squeak.